To set up secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to the security and privacy options. Then you can scroll down and find more security settings. Enter it and then navigate to secure folder. That way you'll be able to perform first setup for it. So let's click on more, and then if you agree with terms and conditions, click on continue. You need to allow all of the permissions for the secure folder. So if it asks you for permissions right now, make sure to agree, and then it will start creating a secure folder. Sorry, I accidentally tapped on back, and it just needs to finish, so we need to give it a few moments. And when it's done with the setup, you'll be able to create a lock type for your secure folder. You can go for the PIN, password, pattern, and if you have one of those three options, you can add fingerprints as well to unlock your secure folder. In this case, we're gonna go for a pattern and enter pattern like this, and then lastly confirm it. When it's connected when it's created, it will ask you to allow lock reset with Samsung account. So you can add your Samsung account, and in case that you forgot this password for your secure folder, you can recover it with the Samsung account. You can allow it or not, it's your choice. Then don't forget your lock, and we can move to the next step. Here we can choose what happens when secure folder is locked. Close all apps while it's locked, or allow background activity while it's locked. So in this case we can go with close all apps while locked, but you can choose whichever option you like. And now our secure folder is created. You can already see there's some of the apps here. You can add any apps that you like or any files that you like inside that folder. So for example, we can add photos, and then we can select the photos, and right here it will be the separate apps to your original Google Photos that you can launch from the system. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.